Convertkit email marketing tutorial step by step. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily use convertkit.com for our email campaigns. Basically it's not that hard, so here we are. We can easily try the software for free. We have like 14 days trial. We can easily click on start our free trial and then just create an account. And in a few seconds, we'll come to our dashboard right up here. As you can see in the top of the screen, we have grow folders, send, automate, earn, and learn. So from the grow, we can easily manage our subscribers, create profile, landing pages, and forms, create a network also. So if you come to subscribers area, we can manage all the subs we have. We can add them, and we have like three options: add a single page, a single subscriber, import a CSV, or import from another provider. So they have like some integrations with different apps, or we can import them from file or add a single subscriber. So just simply input first name, email, and some additional information if it's necessary. We can also like import from other like software like MailChimp, Drip, Infusionsoft, Aweber, and so on. There's like 6 apps we can import information from. I think it's pretty cool. On this send folder, we can easily like send an email to some or all of your audience and your public feed. We can also create email templates to use as a starting point in your emails. Also like sequences, create multiple emails that are sent in order. And also like snippets, supercharge your emails with reusable like blogs and content. On the automate, we can use some like automations, add some rules, some triggers, and so on to automate our email campaigns. Like it's pretty cool. On the earn, we can sell products, like give an audience a way to send you a tip of your content, and also like payouts. So let's try to find out how to create an email. In this case, we are going to create like single email, like a broadcast. So let's go to send and then just broadcast, and from this page here we can easily create and manage all the stuff. Let's click on create new broadcast, and the first step we need to do is just to choose the template. So as you can see, there is like some templates we can easily use for free. Some of them are more suitable for one situation, some of them are suitable for the another one. So it's pretty cool. Let's try to use this one here. I think it's pretty like interesting in their design. And we'll come to our editor page. From this page here, we can easily interact with every single element on our email. I think it's pretty cool. So we can add a new image. We can interact with this image here. So if you'll click, we can find all the information, and as you can see, we have like option to change. We can do some other stuff. I think it's pretty cool. If you click on edit image, we can upload some more images. So there's like some errors now, but we can easily use like some stuff here. We can find the Unsplash integration. So with this free stock, we can just simply find something. We can change our header width. For example, with this one here, as you can see, it was successfully changed. So we can also change like border radius, margin. There are a lot of settings we can easily edit with this stuff here, and I think it's pretty cool, like width, alignment, and so on. In order to interact with text, we can also like highlight it, find some stuff right up here in the right side. We can change size, change color, change font. And also in the top of the screen, we have the option to make it bold, italic, underline. So it's pretty cool as for me. And we also have like button here, so we can easily interact. We can add the URL this button will lead to. We can add a size, make it like small, medium. We can change the alignment, make it like centralized, like make the round corner small, large, or full. Also change the width, margin, and so on. So I think it's pretty cool, and the options we can add it like these letters are quite simple and easy to interact with. Also we can add like personalized folders here, like address, unsubscribe option, and preferences. I think it's pretty cool. So basically, when everything is done, we can just simply click on continue, go to the subject line for this broadcast is still new broadcast, let it be. So let's click on change subject. We can change it like thanks for sub. In your case, it may be a little bit different, but let it be like this. Let's click on continue. And we'll come to the next page. Here we can change the from address. Who would you like to send it? So here we need to choose like our subscribers. We can click on all subscribers or do some other stuff. To send this broadcast, please make sure your filters match at least one subscriber. So if you don't have any subs, so you'll have to input them before creating a campaign, which is pretty like easy to understand. When would you like to send this? We can send it now or we can schedule it. So it may be like May 18 or do some other stuff. We can add like preview text and internal notes. Sometimes it could be really cool. And we can also post to my public feed, is it necessary? And then everything is done. We can just simply click on continue and all these steps will be like done. So now we can send this campaign, but in my case, I need to add the subscribers. I won't do this right now, but you can and everything will be done. So after that, we'll find our broadcast right up here on broadcast area. And as you can see, it looks like this. So we can click on edit and we can edit the campaign and do some other stuff. And we can also interact. So we can delete, manage, and so on. So this is the easiest way. On the subscribers area, we also have the option to add. Let's try to add a subscriber, basically add a single subscriber, first name, let it be like Ilya or helper, and also we'll have to paste the email and then just click on save. So after that, we'll be able to create a campaign. Basically, this is how can we use Convertkit for the email marketing. I showed you all the main features. Of course, there is like some things I didn't show. Maybe I'll show them in my another videos. But if you'll discover the paid plans, we can find that we have like free plan, creator, and creator pro, and the price depends on the number of emails we have. So if you have like 5,000, we'll have to pay like $60 per month or $93 per month. So basically it's pretty cool. So we can easily try it for free. Basically, as you can see, we have like maximum 1,000 subscribers. And we still have like unlimited landing pages, unlimited forms, unlimited broadcast, audience tagging and segmentation, sell digital products and community posts, but we don't have like free migration from other apps, automated email sequences, visual automation builders, third-party integration, additional team members, newsletter referral system, subscriber scrolling, and advanced reporting. So I think it's not that like it's not that bad, so we can easily try it for free. And after that, decide is it necessary as for us to upgrade our paid plan. So as you can see, recommended is like creator plan. But yeah, this is basically all for this video. Hope this video helped you out and it made your life a little bit easier. I wish you a very good day and goodbye, guys.